Motivation has been a serious problem for our youth, especially teenagers. So, let's talk for 1 minute about motivation. You don't need too much to be motivated, and you don't need anyone to motivate yourself. All what it takes to be motivated is just a purpose that you love to achieve. Focus on it. Do it. Repeat doing it over and over and over, and you will start feeling the pleasure that you were missing before. And once you achieve that purpose, you'll start looking for a new one. And here you go. You can count on yourself. But my advice to you is to focus on learning. Learn as much as you can, and practice what you have learned to make you satisfied about yourself. Investing in knowledge is a long-term investment.